Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to compare price automatically while shopping. No sign up, 100% free. So let's get started. So firstly, go to your browser. Here you will search for Open Chrome Web Store. Now I'm interested to buy this iPhone, but I did not know the price is cheaper on another site or not. So I will go to Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Savely price comparison or cheaperly. Click add to Chrome, then it will be added. These are the two Chrome extensions which help to choose you this. Like now click on the will working with cheaply. Here you will see click on get better price and it will automatically scan multiple stores, show better deals automatically. You don't need to click anything. It works in background. Now you will see top better deals. You can scroll and see which one is looking good. You can buy towards that. That's it. It is 100% free. No sign up required. Saves times, also save monies. So from now on, don't waste time comparing price manually. Let this tool do the work for you. If you like helped this video, press the like button, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.